Welcome back. Let's do question 313. In the diagram, A, B, and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. T is the midpoint of CB. The equation of the line AC is 5x minus 6y is equal to 8. The angle of inclination of AB is alpha. We managed to find the size of angle alpha in question 312. Triangle DCT is drawn such that CD is parallel to AB. So we can see that CD is parallel to AB. The lines AC and DT intersect at S, which is the y-intercept of AC. P, F, and R are the x-intercepts of DC, AC, and AB respectively. We are required to find the coordinates of T, the midpoint of CB. So we have to use the midpoint formula. Remember the midpoint formula? So it means that T, add the x coordinates of C and B, and then we divide by 2. X coordinate at C plus the x coordinate at B divided by 2. And then the y coordinates will be the y coordinate at C plus the y coordinate at B divided by 2. This is how we find the coordinates of the midpoint. Right, so it means the coordinates of T will be -2 plus 6 divided by 2. And then we have -3 plus -4 divided by 2. Right, and then we get that -2 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And then -3 plus -4, which is -7. -7 divided by 2 is -7/2. So these are the coordinates of T. So for 3.13, the coordinates of T are 2 and -7/2.